we're going to explore three really cool and often overlooked Python functions that will make your life easier. So let's dive right in. For example, let's say we have a list of numbers, and we want to check if all of them are greater than zero. If every number in the list is greater than zero, the result will be true. But if one of those numbers is zero, the function will return false. It's that simple. Next, we have the any function. Let's say we have a list with a mix of zero and non-zero numbers. As long as there's a number greater than zero in the list, any will return true. But if all the numbers are zero, it will return false. So it's super useful when you just need to check if any condition is met. Finally, we have the zip function. This is really handy when you want to combine two or more lists into one. It pairs up the elements from each list and combines them into tuples. This is great when you have two related lists, like names and scores, and want to pair them together. Each pair gets grouped into a tuple, and you can then easily access each pair. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, don't miss out on checking out the other tutorials on the channel. See you next time.